So yesterday I said you can do number what?
Number 5 and 6.
5 and 6. Okay. So here we are given that a car worth 250,000 depreciates at 12% per annum on a straight line basis. Calculate its value after 5 years. Yes. What are you going to do there? What do you do? Which formula do you use?
I used A is equals to P into 1 minus I in close brackets.
1 minus
I in.
IN. So it's a straight line.
Yes.
Basis. So here, which means that our final amount after 5 years is going to be the A, which you are looking for, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then you substitute your initial amount, which is what? 250,000. 250,000.
Yes.
And then you put your bracket 1 minus
0.12.
Yes, 0.12
times 5.
Times 5. Times 5. Then you close your bracket.
Yes.
So when you punch everything there, what are you getting?
100,000.
Exactly 100,000.
Yes.
So your final amount after 5 years, which means the car would be having a value of 100,000.
Yes, sir.
That would be the final amount. So let's go to the next one, which is number 6. All right. Hire purchase. So a laptop costs 18,000. The deposit is 10 what?
10%.
The balance is paid off over how many months?
24 months.
24 months with an interest of 9%. Simple interest. Yes, 9% per annum simple interest. Calculate the monthly installment. So what are we going to do there?
I calculated the 10% of 18,000 first.
Yes. So let's start there. So which means it will be 10% of 10%. It means 10 over 100.
Over 100.
Multiplied by what?
By 18,000 over 1.
18,000 over 1. That's good. Over 1. What do you get there?
I got 1,800.
You get 1,800. That is your 10%. So which means the cost of the laptop was 18,000. Now the deposit is 10%.
Yes.
So let's see what is this balance which they are referring to, which must be paid over what? 24 months.
Yes.
Isn't it? So what do we do next?
I calculated the total balance by saying the total cost minus the deposit, which is 18,000 minus.
That's correct. So which means the balance which you are looking for, the balance will be equals to 18,000
minus 1,800.
Minus 1,800. What do you get as the answer?
16,200.
16,200. Remember, it's money, it must have units. 16,200 rands. So this is the balance that must be paid over
24 months.
Over 24 months. So,
yes.
But we are having an interest rate of how much?
Of 9%.
Per annum.
Yes, per annum. Interest.
Simple interest. All right. So 24 months, you are supposed to convert it to annums. How many annums is 24 months?
2 years.
2 years, which means 2 annums, isn't it?
Yes.
So which means your N here is equals to 2.
2 years.
Since it's 24 months, 2 years, 2 annums. All right. Then which formula are you going to use?
A is equals to P into 1 minus IN, plus IN, sorry.
So A is equals to P, your P is what now?
It's 16,200.
16,200. Then you multiply it by 1 plus
0.09.
0.09 multiplied by what?
Multiplied by 2.
Multiplied by 2. What answer are you getting?
2,916.
Which is 2,916
rands.
It can be 2,000. Can be 2,000. The final amount which you are getting there.
Oh,
is it 2,000? Or you are giving me now an installment, monthly installment. I'm saying here, what is the final answer here?
Oh, okay. Let me just calculate that.
Before you go to the installment, for the monthly installment, we just want to know what is this amount.
18,880.
No, it can be. Check again. 16,200 bracket 1.
Sorry, 19,000.
19,000.
116 rands.
Yeah, 116. What was the mistake?
I put I didn't write 16,200. I wrote 16,000 just as it is.
Okay. So that is our final amount for which must be paid in 2 years.
Yeah.
So, which means if you want the monthly deposit, which means what is going to happen now?
I calculated the total amount payable, which is the balance plus the simple interest.
Then you divide by what?
I divided by 24 months.
So that we can get the final installment, isn't it?
Yes.
So which means if you want to calculate the monthly installment, so the monthly installment we are going to divide now. So when you are calculating the monthly installment, we divide.
Yes.
What did you get when you divide by 12?
I said 19,116 divided by 24, which gave me 796.50 cents.
Monthly installment, then you divide. So dividing that answer which you got, 19,116, you divide by 24 months, isn't it?
Yes.
Then the final answer will be
796 rands and 50 cents.
That's excellent. 796 rands, 50 cents.
Yes.
Any problems here?
No, sir.
All right. So let's go to number 7.
Okay.
7. Try 7. Let's see.
I'm done, sir.
Yes. Which formula did you use?
Simple interest formula.
Meaning?
A is equals to A is equals to P.
Yes, then you substitute your P is what?
15 Rand 50 cents.
Yes, so you get marks for substituting the values because formulas you are given. P, then 1 plus
0.06
0.06
multiplied by 2.
multiplied by 2. So what will be the cost now in 2 years of bread?
17 Rand and 36 cents.
Yes, so that is the cost of bread in 2 years. 17 Rand
36 cents.
6 cents. Okay. Exchange rates.
Okay. So can you please help me with this one?
All right. If the exchange rate is 18 Rand 50 cents per US dollar, in other words, if I give you $1, if I give you $1, which means yourself, you are going to give me 18 rands.
50 cents.
50 cents. So that is what we call the exchange rate. So
Okay.
if someone who's coming from United States, if he gives you $1, you in return, you give that person 18 Rand 50. So they are saying now, how many US dollars will you receive? Which means how many is this person going to get?
Okay.
If you have given 3,700 rands. So we want to know how many US dollars is this person going to exchange with the 3,700. It's just an exchange rate.
Okay.
So is he going to get more US dollars than $1 US, or is he going to get more? Less than?
Less than.
Than $1 US. Is it
Oh
more
no,
than
more than 1 US.
More than $1 US, isn't it?
It's going to get oh, okay. It's $200.
Yes, so which means it's a division problem.
Oh, okay.
Meaning we are going to divide by
3,700.
So it's going to be, if it's going to be more US dollars, which means it's more over less, which means it's going to be the more part, which is the 3,700 rands. Then you divide it by the less part, which is the 18 Rand 50 cents. Then you multiply it by this $1. So multiply by 1 US dollars.
Okay.
1 US dollar, USD. So which means the rands, they are going to cancel out. So you must check the units how they are going to cancel out now. So which means the rands will cancel this rand.
Okay.
Then the final answer automatically you can see they're going to be in US dollars because there is no any other unit that is canceling with the US. So in other words, that's why the answer is becoming 200 what?
$200.
$200 is US dollars. So you put 200. So these are exchange rates. For example, when you want to go overseas, you want to know if you have your rands in South Africa and you want to go to the US, you convert. What is the current exchange rate? So if I'm having this amount, how many US dollars am I going to get? Then you check the cost of living that you are going to be having in US states, which means if you are going to spend more than 200, then you can see how many rands is going to be. So it's very important for people who are traveling overseas exchange rates to see if they are going to afford where they are going to be or their location. So this is a very important aspect in mathematics. Let's go to number 9, population.
Okay. I'm done.
Yes, which formula are you going to use?
I am simple interest formula.
Yes, so which means the question is saying population growth. A town has a population of 85,000 people. If the population increases by 2.3% annually, what will it be in 3 years? So in other words, the same formula, A is equals to what? What is our P?
85,000.
Right, 85,000. So the marks, you get them from substituting.
Okay.
Bracket 1 plus, what is your I?
0,023.
0,023 multiplied by what?
3.
Multiplied by 3. Then you close bracket. Then the final answer is
90,865 people.
Let's just verify that one.
Okay.
So 90,800 and what?
865 people.
Yes. So that would be the new population.
Yes.
865. Right. So it's clear there. I don't think there's a problem there. All right. So let's go to that task which I wanted us to warm up with.
Okay.
The one which I wanted, so that at least if you are ahead of others at school, then it becomes better. So that's what matters. You must be ahead. So let's go to the task which I wanted us to do today. All right. So let's go to this problem.
Okay.
Just analyze number 7.1. So Mary's grandparents deposited 5,000 into a savings account. on the day she was born. The account pays interest at a rate of 6.8% per annum, compounded
quarterly.
Calculate the accumulated amount in his account on the 16th birthday. On the 16th
birthday.
Yes. So how are you going to go about that?
We are going to use the compound formula.
The compound
interest formula.
Which says what?
A is equals to P into 1 plus I to the power of N.
Which means basically the formulas we are given, isn't it?
Yes.
That's why I was saying the method of identifying which formula. So it's compound. So which means it's this one.
Yes, that one.
That is the formula which we are going to use, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But we have been told that it's compounded quarters.
So
the day,
multiply.
Yeah. We are
so
going to
multiply the interest, which is 6.8 times 4. So we're going to first convert 6.8% to decimals.
All right, let's go to the question so that we do it directly there. Let's go to the question, work it there for 7.1. So we said we have our formula now, which is A is equals to our P bracket 1 plus I to the power what? N. Is that clear?
Yes.
Right. So now, here they are talking of annums and they are also talking of quarters, compounded quarterly, but the rate isn't given in terms of per annum, not per quarter. So what were you saying?
So I was saying that we were going to first convert the 6.8% per annum to a decimal, which is 0.068.
Yes.
Then we're going to multiply it by 4 because it's quarterly.
You multiply by 4 or you divide by 4?
Oh, sorry, we divide the interest by 4 and we multiply the number of years by 4.
So it's not divide, it's not multiplying the interest by 4, but it's dividing, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So in terms of writing, which means our A is equals to P, it's how much?
5,000.
5,000. Then 1 plus
0.068.
0.068. Then you divide it by
4.
The power
16 times 4.
16 times 4. What is the answer?
Let me just calculate it. $14,000.
We are getting
14,706.
14,706. 706. How many cents?
56 cents.
56 cents. That's correct. That one. 56 cents.
Yes.
Now let's move. So calculate the accumulated amount. So that is the accumulated amount, isn't it?
Yes.
Then you get your 3 marks. So that is the trick where you are supposed to, when you say compounded quarterly, you divide by 4. Then also the N, you also multiplied by what?
By 4. We divide by 4. And
yeah. Then the number of years you multiply by 4. The interest is what you are dividing by 4, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's
Did I do 7.2?
Yes, let's go to 7.2.
Okay. So can you please help with this one?
Are you done?
Can you please help me with this one?
Right. After 4 years, the value of a printer was half of its original value, isn't it?
Yes.
After 4 years,
Oh, yes.
value of a printer was half of its original amount.
Yes.
Or original value. Determine the rate at which the printer value depreciated over this period if depreciation was calculated according to straight line method.
Okay.
So according to straight line method, which formula are you going to use here?
A equals to P into 1 minus IA.
That is straight line method, isn't it?
Yes.
So the instruction now is telling us that after 4 years, it's half, isn't it?
Yes.
So which means the final amount is going to be P, which was the initial, P over what?
Over 2.
Over 2. That is my final amount. Is equals to P, which is the interest.
Which we don't have.
P is the amount which was deposited. I mean the value, original value, sorry. P is the original value, isn't it?
Mm.
And then half the original value, which means it's P over what?
Over 2.
Yes. So bracket 1 minus. Now we are into I what?
I times 4.
I, which I don't know, times what?
Times 4.
Times 4. So in this case, I must solve for what?
We must solve for I.
Yes. So let's try to solve for I in that case. So let's do it together. If we say P over 2 is equals to, now we expand the bracket.
Okay.
Remember, P times 1 gives you what?
It's P.
P. So that's your P. Then P times minus 4I.
It's minus 4PI.
So it's minus 4PI. So what do you say now?
So
Minus
we divide both.
Yes, our mission is to find what?
To find I.
Find I.
Yes.
So let's go for I. From here, let's find I. So what do we do? If we put, since it's a negative 4pi, which means we can make it on the right-hand side, which means I now have a positive 4p what?
Pi.
Pi is equals to p, which is the one. Then I take the p over 2 the other side. Then becomes p over what?
Over 2.
Over 2. So continue from here. You tell me what you are getting for I. Let me see how good are your algebra. So make I subject of the formula. You tell me what you are getting.
Okay.
That's from there. 4pi is equals to p minus p over 2. Then make p, make
Yes.
I the subject
As
of
the
the
subject
formula.
of the formula.
Yes, try that.
I'm done, but I don't think my answer is right.
Why?
Because after I divided both sides by 4p to make I the subject of the formula. Then I wrote 4pi over 4p is equals to p minus p over 2 over 4p.
So we are failing to get it.
Yeah.
All right, let's start from there. Where you are. Where you are, we can use this step here. Space. Right. So our original, we are saying four pi is equals to p minus p over 2. Is that correct?
Yes.
Minus p over 2. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide the left by what?
By 4p. No,
Let's start by p first. Let's
okay.
start by, so that let's eliminate one by one at a time, so that we are left with one variable at a time, so that does not confuse us. So let's start by p. So there we divide by p, the first term, by what?
By p.
What you do on the right, you also do,
Yes,
what you do on the left, you do on the right. So here you also divide by what?
by p.
Here you also divide by what?
By p.
By p. That's where we are.
Okay.
So from there, we see what is it that is going to cancel out. First, we simplify. So that p and that p cancels.
They cancel.
P and this p cancels.
They cancel.
That p and that p
They
cancel
cancel.
out. Can you see it? Now we go to the next step, which means 4 times 1. 4 times I gives you what?
4 times I is 4i.
4i is equal to, what is p divided by p?
1 over 2.
P divided by p?
It's 1 over 2.
No. P divided by p?
Oh, sorry, it's 2. It's 1.
It's 1.
I was saying the final answer, sorry.
Then minus the right side. is giving you 1
over 2. Yes.
And 1 over 2, like that. So that on the left-hand side, you know that it's 4I.
Yes.
Is equals to 1 minus half is what?
It's half.
So now you want to remove the what? The 4. Is that correct?
Yes.
How do you remove the 4? By dividing both sides by what?
By 4.
By 4. Yes. Which means also here you are dividing by 4, which means the same as multiplying by 4 down there.
Yes.
So that the 4s, they cancel out. What do we mean? Which means this and that cancels. So that what you are left with now, I is just a number now. I is just a number. What is the number for I?
It's
I is equals to what?
I is equals to 2.
1 over 8, not 2. 1 over 2 times 4 is what?
Oh, it's 1 over 8.
Yes. Remember, 1 over 2 times 4, which is 8. And then as a decimal, what is 1 over 8 as a decimal?
0,125.
Yes. So it's 0, comma, 1, 2, 5. As a percentage, it's what? 0,125 as a percentage.
12,5%.
Which is 12, what?
5%.
Percent. So you put your percentage. Any question? How we approach the problem?
No.
Yes. So the first thing was to come and interpret. What do you, in terms of variables, what does it mean to say the final amount has been halved? Which means you can make a relationship between A and P using one variable, isn't it?
Yes.
So the trick was just to make A and P to have a relationship where they can share one variable. Since now we know it's half the other. So we can replace A by using P. Or you can replace P by using what? A. Any of the other, yes. Then from there, you form your equation. P over 2 is equals to P bracket 1 minus I times 4. Then from there, you do your equation P over 2. Now we are simplifying until you arrive to where we are here. So you've seen that even if you don't know how much was the amount, isn't it, of the printer?
Yes.
Still, you can calculate the what?
The interest rate.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is 12,5%. So that is our number 7. So this one wanted you to think a bit. That's why it was a bit there. So which means according, if the rate at which, so the rate we said it's what now?
The rate is 12,5%.
Rate was 12,5%. That is our answer. Let's go to 7.3. But 7.3, I wanted you to try it on your own. But the chances of you, if I say don't copy, are you not going to copy?
I'm not going to copy.
That is the problem now. Let's do 7.31 together now.
Okay.
Then I will leave 7.32. Try 7.3.
So in this one, do I include, do I write the amount of the loan or do I write the amount of the monthly installments?
Have you done loans now yet in class?
No, not yet.
All right. What I will do for now, research on this one.
Okay.
Try it, and then you research. Then I will explain it tomorrow when we have
Okay.
our session. Yes, because I have to introduce these formulas for future value, for loans, for present value, but we have not yet done it, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, but in the meantime, go through it,
Okay.
check it, how they worked it out, where you don't understand. So tomorrow you must be posing questions. Say, I looked at it, I got this solution, but I'm having a problem here. Can you please explain here and there? Then I will know you have done that something.
Okay, sir.
Yes, so screenshot it, and then work on that one.
Okay, let me just quickly screenshot.
Yes. There are 9 marks there, which means 3.7.31, 7.32. There are 9 marks.
Okay, thank you.
Start working on it now. Since we are left with about 7-8 minutes, we can work on it. And then tomorrow in our session, then we start with this one whereby we'll be introducing more of the basics which you must master.
Okay, sir.
All right. So we'll stop here for today.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.